Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpinutrek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Kadwi Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Director General of Police, Jongani Gajala Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Ulong Bagajing Tokit Halo Gajing Shah Siat Yap, Uba Running Nongkenri, Haki BSF Mentakalaya Chakmat. Bat kadan haying bishar. Ulai itu bu sumbut menteri rangba ulak khad yakren ya katanat pulit bat kumjuru ya gihe jong BSF banyak keren halor ketiga benta bat ki BSF kila kular bakinto kit banyak ya gani kat kum ka an jongki. Ulong ba katanat pulit kalai keren ru bagi day ban IT ya ki syakatanat pulit bagi BSF kin IT syaki pulit ya ki sipai ki badan keti ban siat yap ya uba running.
The case is under investigation. The whole matter is sub judice. Today, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, come Home Ministers, he has invited us. He has called the BSF officers also, and this matter was discussed in detail. And we discussed about the court and their BSF Act provisions also. So they assured us to take follow-up actions as per their act. So that is what we insisted, that as per court order they should be handed over. So let's see that he will discuss with the higher authority, because central government employees, there are certain provisions are there, so they have to go as per. So I mean the court has given the orders for all the three accused.